The shielding effectiveness of carbon fiber plays a significant role in drone applications. Drones require signal shielding for several reasons, and its purpose and functions include interference reduction. Carbon fiber shielding helps reduce electromagnetic interference, EMI, from external sources. This is crucial for maintaining clear communication and control signals, especially in densely populated airspace where multiple devices emit electromagnetic signals. GPS and navigation. Drones heavily rely on GPS and other navigation systems for accurate positioning and flight control. Shielding helps protect these sensitive systems from interference that can disrupt navigation and endanger the drone's flight. Data transmission. Many drones transmit data in real time, such as video feeds for surveillance or data for mapping. Carbon fiber shielding ensures a stable data link, minimizing data dropouts or signal loss, which is critical for data integrity and live monitoring. Safety. Signal shielding contributes to the overall safety of drone operations. Uninterrupted communication and control signals are essential to avoid accidents and ensure a drone can respond to commands promptly. Regulatory compliance. Regulatory bodies often require drones to meet specific electromagnetic compatibility (EMC) standards to operate legally. Carbon fiber shielding helps drones comply with these standards, ensuring they don't interfere with other electronic devices and systems. In summary, carbon fiber shielding in drones is crucial for minimizing signal interference, ensuring reliable communication and data transmission, maintaining safety, and meeting regulatory requirements in the increasingly crowded airspace where drones operate.